Unigraphics, CAD-CAM from Mikado. With the graphics lathe module, powerful and efficient programming capabilities are incorporated into the Unigraphics system. This optional software enhancement allows the user to create two-axis lathe motion automatically with an immediate display of the tool path for inspection and approval. Interactively, GLM performs in logical sequence in terms familiar to the machinist to show roughing, finishing, threading. The system constantly prompts for information about tool descriptions, machining parameters, part and material contours, and post-processor parameters. This information is integrated into the cutter location, or CL file, for transmission through the post-processor to the machine tool. The